Alright guys, this is a 2002 Dodge Ram V10. Good old trucks. If you have one, it has a good frame and suspension. The problem is on this particular truck, I wanted to make this video. This particular truck has a 5.5 inch block ride height, which was put on. I don't know if it was from the factory or not, but we went on YouTube and I searched and could not find this particular spring that fits this. Now this spring here and this leaf spring is 3 inches wide. The particular U-bolt, they call these, I guess, that holds the axle to this spring is 15.5 inches. Now you go on eBay, you can find all kinds of them, different sizes, but you can't find the ones for the 15. I even have ones for 17 inch, but they're, I don't think, quite wide enough. So I found this company online, and it is called Jacket. It's actually out in Utah. There's the number and the information on the card there. I think you can kind of see that if it focuses and everything. There's the phone number. This was the only place I could find this particular U-bolt, and there is a little bit, maybe a better if the camera focuses, I think you can kind of see that, where you can get this. So it's a company out there, and they actually make this particular one for this truck. Like I said, you have to actually go under your truck and measure and everything and see what you have. So let me just kind of show you what we got here. Like I said, this video is just to help you guys out if you have a Dodge Ram that has a 15-inch spring, a 15-inch U-bolt. And there's the U-bolt. And I got my tape measure here from the top to the bottom. The inside here, it's exactly 15 inches. And we got I think it's 3 and maybe an 8 width, because the spring is 3 inches wide, so you got to have a little clearance on each side. And on the outside, the spring is about 4 1/8. So this is what you have to have. And I think there might be a part number here. And I don't know how well this is going to pick this up, but the part number is PUBT 4049, it looks like, maybe. These are 9/16 by 3 inches by 1/8 by 15 inch. So this is what you've got to have to actually fit this on this particular Dodge Ram. So the guys are going to take it to the garage tomorrow. I hope I can get some video before they drive it off, but we'll look at it after they put these on and all that. But yeah, just a little quick video to show you guys. And I got all 4 of them for about $70 free shipping, then plus shipping. Shipping was another 20. So I've got about 80 some dollars for all these. And they send you a little Jacket sticker, all that. I mean, nuts and washers with it, and you're good to go. So really all you have to do is cut your old ones off with a wheel, put these in, and you should be in pretty good shape. So there you go, quick video. So we'll come back here a little bit later, and hopefully you guys will get this on, because one of them's completely broke, not safe to drive. So yep. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and let me know where you're watching from. Alright, now let's look at a beautiful thing. Look at that. Got brand new ones on there. Hopefully you can see that, because the lighting is a little weird. But we got brand new U-bolts on there. Like I said, I couldn't go and film. I wanted to film after they put them on there, but make sure you get what you're supposed to get, what your truck has, and also measure them, because that's very important. Measuring those. If you're going to pay all that money, you might as well get the exact ones, right? So there's that side, and let's go look at the other side real quick, since the snow finally melted after a month on the ground. And there's the other ones. This driver's side, and you can see the only trouble they had was getting them off the plates down there, knocking them out. They cut the old ones off and everything, and you can see how long those bolts stick together, and the pitch thread on these are very fine, so they will tighten everything down on that. So there you go, guys. Order these. Make sure you get the exact same ones. So hopefully this video will help you out and all that. And until my next video, guys, I'll see you later.